Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, but you missed me and I missed y'all. So hey, what's up? How you doing? How you been? You know, is everything Gucci? Just coming back to you guys with another makeup tutorial. You know, and if you didn't know, now you do know. Wait, pause. I'm so rude. I'm Lem, aka Tropical Punch, and if you didn't know, now you know. So just coming to you guys because I got a PR package today and I was blown the frick away. Okay, so if you guys don't know about Bestie Gang collection, you're gonna have to go check them out. So I'll leave all the information in the description bar below, maybe put it on the screen if I'm feeling not lazy. So I'll be dipping into this palette, and as you can see, it looks like this. So we got some good colors in there, and basically today this is gonna be raw, unfiltered. You guys are gonna see me play with this palette for the very first time. So if it goes well, you're gonna find out, and if it goes wrong, you also gonna see that. So just know it's just raw, unfiltered footage. But if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, this little cut crease moment, this little oceanic mermaid look, please stick around, and also click that subscribe button. Hit that little bell if you feeling extra. Okay, get those notifications when I come through, when I just slide through YouTube. Okay, which will be a little bit more often, so you guys can look forward to that. I know I say that every time, so don't look forward to that until I prove it to y'all, which I will. But without further ado, let's get started on the look. What's happening, y'all? To get started, let's go in and do some brows. I'm going to take my favorite eyebrow gel, outline my brows, and then fill them in. Next, I will be going in with my favorite concealer and carving my brows out so they're nice and clean. Okay, so fresh and so clean. We'll be applying an eyelid primer to help my lids stay less oily throughout the day. And then I will apply a little concealer as a base before going in with my shadows. Now dipping into this Kiss My Whole Ass palette, you heard, haters? I'm going to go into the deep green shade, and I will be applying that in my crease with a fluffy brush to build up the color. And I'm only packing it in, I'm not dragging until I get the color payoff that I want. Next, I'll be going in to the lime green shade to blend that shade out towards the brow bone. We want to get a nice light to dark gradient. I may have lost some of that deep green, so I'm just going to add a little bit more in so it's nice and vibrant still. Because you know, my name is Tropical Punch and I don't have time for weak colors. Next, I'm going to dip into this deep blue shade. I'm going to blend that into the outer corner as well as into the crease. This is just to help the crease be more defined when I do cut it. Now it is the moment of truth. I'm going to cut my crease with concealer, and I'm going to just follow my natural eye shape. We're going to wing it, okay? We're going to wing it. Say a prayer for your girl. So I'm going to take this icy blue shade and apply it all over the lid, leaving the inner corner and outer corners kind of open. We're going to apply different colors there. On the outer corner, we're going to go in with the deep blue shade that we have in the crease, and we're going to kind of blend that into the outer corner and bring it kind of inwards so we get a nice soft gradient between the matte colors and the shimmer. In the inner corner, we're going to go into this light pink shimmer shade just to give kind of like a highlight and add some dimension to the look. I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo pencil. I'm going to line my waterline and lower lash line. And I like to do this so any color that I want to put on my lash line or my lower lash line has something to stick to, and the colors will be nice and vibrant. So I took that same lime green shade and applied that on the waterline directly to the base, so you can see it's very bright, vibrant. And I'm just going to go in with that blue shade that we have in the crease and apply that all over the lower lash line to pull the look together. I'm going to do a little wing liner, you know, just a little one, a baby one today. We want to keep a lot of the focus on the colors of the look today. So next I will then go in, pop some lashes on. These are from Bestie Gang, and these are Slay Bay lashes, okay? Get it right. Slay Bay, you better. Slay Bay, and right in time for the holidays. Ooh, y'all not ready for me. Now that that's complete, we are going to get into the face. Now I'm going to take this liquid highlighter, I'm going to apply it all over my face and mix it with my liquid foundation so that the foundation will have a nice luminous look underneath my powder, and just overall so I can get that glowy kind of lit from within finish. I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender. I'm also going to just take a little bit of a warmer foundation on the perimeter of my face just to bring some color back, since with this luminous base it does tend to show up a little bit lighter. We're going to highlight. I'm going to use my favorite concealer and apply it underneath my eyes, down my nose, forehead, chin, you know, the basics. And I like to let it dry a little bit before I blend it out. It just seems to work better for me that way, and I just like the coverage when I do that extra step. My Holy Grail setting powder, we're going to dip into our Crayon Case Chalk Dust in the letters O and R. I like to mix them together when I'm running low on my letter C. And I'm just going to apply it everywhere I highlighted. To contour, I'm going to use the Contortion Notebook, and I'm going to dip into Bricky and Bobby to contour my face there, to warm up my face in the cheek and forehead areas. I like to also hit the side of my nose sometimes when I'm feeling extra. I'm taking some setting powder and just lining underneath my contour for a little bit more of a polished look of my contour, something a little bit more defined. I'm going to dip into my Carity Blush Balm and add a little bit of blush. Today I was feeling fancy. I'm not much of a blush person, but today I felt called for a little added color to the face. I'm going to spritz my face, and then I'm going to go in with my highlighter. Just this step gives you that extra blinding, extra wet looking highlight, and with that name, do you see that name? I know you saw that name. That's exactly the look we were going for today. For lips, I'm going to go in with a regular brownish lip pencil and kind of outline the outer corners of my lips. I'm going to slightly overline the top of my lips since I have much smaller lips. And then I will be going in with a nude shade. It's from Milani. I forgot the name, but I will leave it in the description box below, or on Instagram if you can't find it down there and I was too lazy. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss to complete the look. We're gonna fix the hair, get ourselves together, make ourselves presentable, okay? We can't be looking out here, you know, cute in the face and then the hair is not matching up. So I'm gonna get that together real quick and the look is done. So thank you guys so much, so much for watching. I hope you guys are ready for the comeback, okay? And I will see you guys next time. And something I forgot, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, and leave your girl a comment. Ew.